Hello everyone. Today I am your teacher for this question. The question says that the autotrophic mode of nutrition requires carbon dioxide and water, chlorophyll, sunlight या all of the above. So इस क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहे हैं ऑटोट्रॉफिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन क्या क्या रिक्वायर है. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द ऑटोट्रॉफ्स, तो ग्रीन प्लांट्स are referred to as autotrophs. Means green plants are able to carry out the process of photosynthesis, or green plants can able to prepare their own food. So what is this photosynthesis? So photosynthesis वो प्रोसेस है जिससे कि ग्रीन प्लांट्स अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं. So photosynthesis is the process by which green plants can prepare their own food by utilizing carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to prepare their food, as well as they releases oxygen as a byproduct. So ये photosynthesis process है जिसमें कि प्लांट्स जो होते हैं खाना बनाते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट by utilizing carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, and releases oxygen in the atmosphere as a byproduct. And this process takes place in leaves, where chlorophyll pigment is present. एंड क्लोरोफिल क्या करता है? क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट ये एब्जॉर्ब करता है लाइट को, और विच कन्वर्ट द लाइट एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी, जिससे कि जो ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट बना सके, दैट इज अ फूड, एंड रिलीजेस ऑक्सीजन. सो व्हाट इज द केमिकल रिएक्शन for the photosynthesis is 6CO2, that is carbon dioxide, in the presence of water, in the presence of sunlight. Plants will form C6H12O6, that is food, carbohydrate, and releases oxygen in the atmosphere as a byproduct. So autotrophic mode of nutrition requires carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So the correct answer of this question is all of the above, D. बिकॉज फोटोसिंथेसिस वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें कि प्लांट्स यूटिलाइज करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ sunlight, and this process takes place in leaves where chlorophyll pigment is present, which converts the light energy into chemical energy. So I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.